In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gamma Watermark from PowerPoint. Before we get started, a quick but important note. Watermarks usually indicate licensing and usage limits. Removing them without permission can violate terms of service. So instead of stripping a watermark, I'll show you how to end up with a clean, professional presentation, no watermark, using legitimate, easy steps you can follow right now. Begin by opening your preferred design tool. Canva and PowerPoint both work great for this. Create a new presentation and pick a theme that matches your brand or the tone of your content. Set your slide size to widescreen if that's what you typically use. If you have brand colors and fonts, load those in up front so everything stays consistent as you build. If you exported a draft from Gamma and it includes a watermark, use that file strictly as a visual reference. Keep it open in another window and rebuild the slides in your new project. Copy your own text over manually to ensure it's clean and editable. When you bring in visuals, choose images, icons, and graphics you have the rights to use, either your own assets or licensed stock, so there's no hidden branding baked into the artwork. Recreate layouts one slide at a time. Use headings, body text, and consistent spacing to mirror the structure you liked. Grids and guides are your best friend here. Turn them on to keep elements aligned. If you want uniform headers and footers, set them up on the layout or master so they apply across all slides automatically. As you build, pay attention to contrast and readability. Dark text on light backgrounds or vice versa helps your audience absorb information quickly. Once your slides are rebuilt, do a careful pass to proofread and check design consistency. Make sure your titles use the same size and weight, bullet indents line up, and charts or images are labeled clearly. If you've recreated any charts, confirm the data is accurate and formatted in a way that's easy to understand. When everything looks good, export your presentation. In Canva, click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select PPTX to create a PowerPoint file. In PowerPoint, simply Save As and choose .pptx. Open the downloaded file to confirm all fonts, images, and layouts display correctly. If you love a specific Gamma design and want it watermark free, the best path is to upgrade or use any available discount or team plan. That way you'll get clean exports and full usage rights. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical PowerPoint tips and tutorials.